The jollof is ready, and I hope my Nigerian family who is with me at this channel have now learned how to cook proper assorted jollof. Hello family, this is Chef Malik Eric. Today is another episode and I'm coming to cook assorted jollof, and these are my ingredients. I have chicken, beef, sausage, tomato paste, this salmon fish, fresh tomatoes, pepper, garlic and vegetables, and my rice is here. I hope you have watched the first video, and if you have not watched it, just go back and click on the link and watch it. Please subscribe. Thank you. I'm going to start with my chicken and beef. I'm going to steam it. So I'm going to start with the meat. So I'll go in with the chicken, wash it and chop it as well. Okay. So I'll take my beef too. So I'm done with it. Take my pot. Add my water inside. Okay. So my beef is on fire. Put my salt, ginger powder, Maggi. I'll now blend my garlic and pepper and add. I'll add some onions. Cut my tomatoes for the stew. Now to prepare the stew for the jollof. This is my cooking oil. So I'll put my onions to see whether the oil is hot. Okay. This is my bay leaves. This is my garlic and pepper I've browned. I want to add to it. So leave it for some time before I'll add my tomato paste. I'm adding my tomato paste. So you add the quantity you want to prepare, the quality of the jollof or the size you want to do. So leave for 2 minutes before I add the fresh tomatoes I blended. I only use tomato first because of the sour taste. I have to make it boil for some time before I add the fresh tomatoes so that I can get the color I want for the jollof. So mostly I prefer using the fresh tomatoes more than the tin tomatoes, because the tin tomatoes most of the time have the sour taste. So now I'm adding my tomatoes, fresh tomatoes I blended. So I have to leave it for 5 minutes. Leave it for 5 minutes because I want it to boil properly. So I'll put my spices to make sure that the sour taste is down. So this is my curry powder. I'm now going to add my spices. This curry powder will help you to get the correct color of the jollof. This add my Maggi cube. This protein that fish, so I'm going to add it to my stew for the jollof. I have to mash it into pieces so that the flavor of the fish will go inside the jollof. The meat is ready. I have to remove it and I'll fry it. my meat is fine, I'll add the stock to the jollof stew I'm preparing. And this stock will give me the correct taste that I'm looking for because of the protein. Add my water in the stew. So my meat is ready. So this is my golden color. I'm going to cut it. So this is my jollof season. I'll add to the stew. Add my onion to get a nice flavor. That's more curry powder. So now I'm going to add my rice, my measurement. So you leave it on low heat to make sure that the under doesn't burn. Fry my sausage. I'm just stirring the rice to make sure that it doesn't stick under, to prevent it from burning. I'm preparing salad aside to the jollof. So I wash it with vinegar. So I'll add my vinegar to it. So I'm adding one protein again aside to the jollof, the assorted jollof. So this is my chicken. I'm marking it because I want the spices to go inside. Now the sausage is ready. So now I'm going to spice my chicken. This is my garlic and onions powder. I'll add my salt, add small Maggi cube. And this is my chicken seasoning, add small curry powder, which will help you to get the golden color you are looking for. So I'll mix it. This will help you to make sure that the spices go into it. And you leave it to 2 to 3 minutes before you fry. Now continue with the salad. As I already said, I've washed it with my vinegar. So now I'm now coming to cut it for the salad. I'm frying my chicken. So now I'll transfer it to the mixing bowl. So because I have not steamed the chicken and it's fresh, I have to make sure I fry it on low heat. So I have to lower my burner. Back to the salad. Add small black pepper. This is white pepper. Small salt. So this is my mayonnaise. People call it salad cream. So I'll put my mayonnaise, add small ketchup. So I'll now mix it. So the salad is done. So in the beginning, I told you I was going to cook assorted jollof. I need to add some vegetables to my jollof. This is my green pepper. So now, before you add the vegetable, you make sure that your jollof is almost done. So to make sure that the vegetable is not overcooked. So now I'm adding my vegetable to the jollof. So after the vegetables, you know that the protein, I've already fried that one. So I'll just add my proteins to the jollof. So now I'm going to cut the venison for the food. The chicken is ready. The jollof is ready. And I hope my Nigerian family who is with me at this channel have now learned how to cook proper assorted jollof. Now I'll put my protein. My salad. So we come to garnish. So please watch the video and subscribe. Okay. The jollof is ready.